Welcome back. Goa Democratic Front President Dayanand Narvekar has alleged that drug peddler Atala escaped from Goa with the coordination of Home Ministry. He has assured people to get a larger share from the central government to Goa. He criticised Congress and BJP for failing to curb drug menace in the state.
Goa should get a larger share from central government. Number two, Congress BJP have no guts to beat out drug menace from Goa. Atala escaped from Porvorim, Patradevi to Nepal and then to Israel with the tacit coordination of Home Ministry. I am using the word coordination because it was orchestrated by the Home Ministry. A person with a motorcycle pilot gave a check bond or cash bond of ₹2 lakh, and that is how Atala escaped from Goa. There was no attempt by Goa government to bring Atala back. There was no attempt to bring Lady Lucky Farmhouse from Stockholm by both the government, last government as well as this government.
And now look at the other events in the state.
Christians celebrated Feast of Annunciation on 25th March. It is also observed as the Day of the Unborn in the world. A 3-day event was held at the Pillar Monastery organized by Human Life International, Goa and the Pillar Animation Center. As part of the 3-day program, a car rally was organized from Holy Spirit Church ground to Pillar with the theme Drive for Life.
This rally is to bring attention to the dignity of life in the womb and everything else that depends, marriage, family life, even health, that depends upon openness to life.
Cyclist Sundaram Narayan represented Goa in attempting the RAAM qualifier event. The event is Race Across America qualifier. Sundaram rode from Pune to Goa and ended attending the 4th position of the group.
I was supposed to close it 60 hours, less than the 60 hours, which I couldn't do that due to the strong headwinds and the heat, and I closed it around 63 hours, 55 minutes. And I felt a difficulty at one situation. There was at the distance of 760 kilometers where I lost my energy and hydration, and I didn't get the water nowhere else around, because it was around early morning 2:30 a.m. and suddenly I collapsed. I just sat down on the road immediately, and I took rest for 4 minutes and resumed my ride.
Meanwhile, traditional Shigmo was celebrated at Mapsa.
Prudent, Herald and Purari won their respective matches at the ongoing Intermedia cricket tournament at Kampal on Wednesday. Prudent defeated Goa Doot by 10 runs with captain Laksharaj Shetye shining with the bat and ball. Prudent will take on Times of India in the quarter-finals on Thursday morning. The tournament is organized by Sports Journalists Association of Goa every year in memory of late sports journalist Vijay Gard.
It's a really happy moment for me, not only for me but for entire team Prudent. Okay, we really played well. Okay, it was a good match, but there are some areas wherein we have to work out, especially not giving away extras. Okay, good bowling, good fielding, because tomorrow is an important match coming up, which is against Times of India, and they are a very good side. So really looking forward to it.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.